Watch this video.
Like, how are Europeans supposed to act or react when Africans are pouring in from everywhere at the moment?
They should accept them.
They should just be like, oh, come, take our homes, take
They
the
should
job,
accept
take
Africans.
everything.
Because when you guys came in mass to Africa,
But that was so long ago. I
that
cannot even bring
was
it
so
in
long
now
ago.
anymore.
But your companies are still there looting Africa.
Perhaps.
Neo-colonialism.
Perhaps.
You are still there stealing our resources, using our resources to develop your countries, and you don't want us to come here. You are asking how should you guys react when we come here.
Example, how are we supposed to react?
Imagine a thief steals your television, your TV, and you go to his house to watch a soccer game. How should the thief react? Exactly. Just be quiet.
Anyanwu is the light. Kpakpando comes from the sun at the center of our solar system. Anyanwu na the star ọnwa that provides the earth with heat and light. However, the sun is the light and heat. The sun at the center of Earth, the star. Ụwa ri na the star at the center of our solar system. Babu wari now. Babu wari na ora ta the sun gado the babu wari hati juu impata, meaning the light babu wari of the sun gado orata ora ta uwa re, meaning the middle wado